This is a walkthrough of my level Cloud 9, and let's get started. So a lot of this is in a rough state, but eventually I'll get it to where it needs to be, and yeah. So as you saw, my character falls down at the beginning of the level. That actually is intentional. I want you to just kind of like fall into this sky level and then just starts from here. So these white boxes are going to be the coin crates, so they're going to be destructible. You jump on them, they break open, and you will collect coins. There'll be a actual counter that will count the coins. The health is not going to be here, and this energy, that's all going to be removed because that's not necessary. Everything here is going to be just instant kill. So if you run into an enemy, this is going to kill you, and you're just going to start over or at a checkpoint. These like light enemies, as I call them, just patrol a small path, and the whole point is to just like avoid them at the moment, but what they will do is just, it's going to kill you. I am going to make it so that like if you just jump on the top, that's how you would destroy the enemy, but for now, yeah, you're just avoiding. So again, the white boxes are just coin crates. So it's just, you're collecting, platforming, collecting, and avoiding enemies. And as you can see, I don't have all the animations working. What I need to do is set up a prefab, or if there's any way that I could just copy animations over. I tried to copy the animation over to all of the small enemies like this, but it was not working. So I just need to, look into that and get that working. But yeah, they will all be patrolling, and they all work the same way, so this is just an opportunity to test the player and make sure that they understand these light characters, and an opportunity to collect coins. So just going through here, again, you're going to have to wait for this guy to make his patrol and then get onto this platform. Again, they'll be moving, and you're just going to try and either avoid them or step on top of them and destroy them. So I have this in here. This is saying now your health is full and it's not going to do anything. What this will be is an extra life. So this is a placeholder, but ultimately that's going to be the extra life. This is your first checkpoint. All blue crates are checkpoints. So that's your first checkpoint. And then we are now getting into the tree portion of my level. So here we are in the tree area, and as you can see, there's something new here. This is an explosive crate. So just avoid these. The whole point is just to avoid these. What will happen is they are also going to be destructible. If you jump on them like a regular crate, it's going to kill you. If you just walk into it, that's not going to kill you, but yeah, jumping on top, that will kill you. So as you come through here, collect coins, avoid the hazard crates, and then this is where so far things have kind of worked in the level. This is where I have a lot less working. So as you can see, I'm up here. I can make it all the way to this point, and then I am now like just stuck because this crate right here is the bouncy crate, which what it does is it gives you like a high jump. So you pretty much can you can jump twice as high, which will get you up here, and then you can platform down, and actually this does look pretty high, but you actually don't die when you come down here. I can actually also add another platform, would probably be best to get down. But so I can get my character here, and then this is for the bonus section. So there is two routes. You can either just platform up through here and carry on, or you can go for the hidden gem. This is where the hidden gem is. This is my gem for now. So what you would do is just come down here, avoid that, not get hit by that, or else you're gonna die. Then make it down here. That's a bouncy crate. which is going to help you get back up out of the level. So as you can see, you're here. The only way to get back up out is you're just going to bounce here, bounce here. So you can see that there's a platform here. So you're going to have to time this. Get on. I could actually ride this, but see how he's like sliding? I need to fix that. And then right now you can't actually pick up the gem, but you will pick up the gem, and then again there's your checkpoint. So not to frustrate the player, you just grab your checkpoint there and you're good to go. Again, I will fix this so that that actually follows the player. But yeah, here you are. You're gonna have to bounce up out of here. Like, I literally cannot do that right now. But you will bounce, and then that will bring you to here. And then from there, character makes it, let's say we bounced up out of here, and we will carry on. So from there, avoid that, and keep going. Collect more coins. Now what's going to happen is after you collect 50 coins, you're actually going to get an extra life. I was going to do 100, but that is a lot of crates, so I went with 50. So there are more than 50 boxes, but yeah, 50 coins will get you that life. So again, I'm stuck at this point. I would, bounce up here to this platform here, and then I would actually jump over here. This is the wrong crate. It should just be a coin crate. Collect coin. You're going to jump up here, avoid this guy, platform. Again, high jump up, and you're just kind of, traversing through the tree, trying to get out of this section. And as you can see, there's like a lot of space that's just open. What this is for is I actually have what I'm calling like heavy enemies. The little round circles at the beginning were like the light enemy, the easier enemy. Once you get into the tree level, there's harder enemies. And they are like literally the size of the player. So I didn't put them in, otherwise I wouldn't have been able to test any of this portion of the level. So I just haven't put them in yet because it's going to take a punch to kill those enemies. You can't just like really jump over them and avoid them. So you're gonna have to like punch and kill them to pass through. So yeah, I haven't set up any of the melee combat, so yeah, it's just gonna take a while to get that in, and then that will be that. So as you come up through here, fight your way through. Now you're coming out of the tree area. So just doing some more cool platforming stuff. And then as you see here, these are just a placeholder for now. This is going to be my lightning. So ultimately, instead of having the spikes come up from the bottom, what's going to happen is I'm going to have a graphic just, it'll do a quick flash, and then it will flash again, but stay longer. And then it will do damage again, instant kill if you get hit by it. So you would just be, it's just something, again, to avoid. Avoid that. Collect. And then as you see this here, this is the bonus platform. It's not even showing up here. That's interesting. So what happens is, yeah, cool stuff is happening. I put a trigger box on here so that what I want to happen is you come in here, you step into the trigger box, and the animation plays for the platform to, there it is, take you over here to the bonus area. So I have the animation actually working, but what was happening is as soon as I started the level, it just went. It wasn't like waiting for you to get to this point and then going. So I just need to set that up so that it's like a trigger box where you step in and then it takes you here. So it's going to take you here, you're going to get off the platform, and this is the bonus area. This is just for collecting coins and gaining an extra life. So that's literally all this section is for. You're going to come in, that platform stops here. You come in, double jump or high jump to collect all of these crates here, bounce through them, and yeah, just again, this would launch you up here. You got to collect all these. This black box is a mystery crate, so you can get one of 3 items: an extra life, coin, or it will be an explosive crate, so could be bad as well as good. So you just have to take a chance on that. You got platform through, another extra life here, and then this is the end. What's going to happen once you step out to here, it teleports you back over to where you got on. So again, I couldn't get the teleporter to work. I was trying to work with the scripts that are in there. I saw that there were scripts, but I just couldn't get anything to work. So, you know, I've just got to look into that a bit more and I'll get it going. So from there, yeah, it's going to bring you back here, and then you will just keep going. Again, I'm going to get stuck here because I need that high jump to get up here. I'm going to hit that, jump up here, double jump again, high jump. This is, again, your checkpoint is the blue box. Avoid the hazards, collect some more coins. Avoid hazards, collect coins. And this is actually not supposed to be the mystery crate. This also should be the bouncy crate, which is going to get you up there. There's your other extra life. And you will then, yeah, just platform through here, high jump up here, avoid that, gain another extra life, and then this is a teleporter. So this is where you go into the teleporter, and it teleports you over here. You get your checkpoint after you go through there. Another mystery crate. This is your high jump box. It's going to get you up here. And then another high jump box, which gets you up here. Some more hazards to avoid. Mystery crate. Collect some coins. Keep going through. And then here's your zip line. You're going to grab, this is the crystal, which is your main objective. You're going to zip line, you'll collect that. And then here is where the trigger box is for the win state. You zip line down, you enter the trigger box, you win. Congratulations, you finished the level. There is also another type of enemy in my level. It's the flying enemy, and they just do a patrol path in one direction. So I have a couple of them up in this area. I have not put them in, but they just fly across. It's just going to be animated to fly across, and you're going to have to crouch to avoid the enemy as they fly by. So that is it. Again, I know I have a lot of work ahead of me to get all of this working, but yep, I will get there. But that's what it looks like for now.